So I'm going to be doing a quick nail tutorial on how I do my nails and make them last up to 2 weeks. So if you're sick of salon prices or if you're just a DIY queen like me, now you want to save a little coin. And there's nothing wrong with that. I started doing my nails in the pandemic, started with acrylics, and I switched to gel because it's a lot easier, and I've never looked back. I got everything off Amazon. These nail holders are amazing if you like to do your own set. That's like for the real DIY girlies. Love this mini drill. Also got it off Amazon. And the most important part in making anything last is always going to be preparation. Make sure you buff your nails, the press-on nails, and you dehydrate your nails. So here's the tip. Any gel base coat works for any press-on, whether it's a plastic press-on from the drugstore, whether it's a gel press-on, and nail glue works really good with any gel press-on. I'm doing gel today only because I'm doing a French and it's pretty sheer and I want to make sure it looks fully adhered to my nail. But if I was doing a solid color, I would do the nail glue because it works that good. So 1 coat of base gel on your nails and then a nice dollop on the press-on nail. Make sure it's a good amount so it fully adheres to your nail. If there's too little, it'll look blotchy and you don't want that with the French, which is why I don't use nail glue if I'm doing French. But I always use nail glue if I'm doing a dark color or if you can't see it, because something about the gel tips and nail glue, I have literally had sets last 2 weeks. I actually prefer the nail glue because it's a lot faster, but like I said, if I'm doing the French, I use the base coat gel. And this same method that I'm doing here works on the drugstore or TikTok shop nails. Yes, the plastic, regular nails works with the base gel. I've had drugstore nails last 2 weeks because I've done the base coat method. So if you want any of your press-ons to last, all you need is the base gel. And if you do have gel tips, just use the nail glue and it works. Hope you love the video. Bye!